A beautiful Monday morning. It is raining cat and dog. Let me show you guys. Let me flip my camera so that you guys can see. It is raining cat and dog. You guys can see. But with this stop our video, it will not stop our video, because our main aim is to help people grow and help people navigate YouTube. You guys know how we usually do it on Monday morning. And on Monday mornings, what do? We grow with our subscribers. And how do we grow these subscribers? We try our possible best to get 1,000 subscribers every single Monday morning. I have done a detailed video, a very detailed video on how you can get your easy, quick, sweetest 1,000 subscribers, and that video will be dropping tomorrow. So get ready, because I'll be dropping that bomb tomorrow. But for this one now, what do we have to do? The first thing you need to do, or you need to know as a new content creator that is creating content on YouTube, is you have to be consistent, because consistency is the key. No matter what, if you are not consistent, at the end of the day, you are going to do what? You are going to be lagging behind. If me with over 70-something thousand subscribers can be consistent, not even minding that rain that is falling, and I'm still creating content, what about you that is looking forward to grow on YouTube? I just did a review on how much YouTube pay me on one of my video, and I'm going to be dropping that particular video this evening. It is a bomb for a video of 5 minutes and 51 seconds. If you see the amounts that YouTube pay, you too, you go say, I need to be consistent permanently on YouTube. Now, we are going to be getting 1,000 subscribers. How do we do it every Monday morning? Our comment section is going to be active. You know how we are doing it in the comment section. And if anybody is connecting with you through the comment section, ensure that that person is watching your video from beginning to the end. Ensure that you are also watching that person's video from beginning to the end. So can you get 1,000 subscribers in less than 6 minutes? Can you get 2,000 subscribers? Can you get 500 subscribers? Yes, you can. All you need to do is drop a strategic comment in the comment section. And for everybody that is watching this video, we definitely know that this is a grow party business, and they will come to your channel to support you. For disclaimers, if you are not in the business of I want to grow quick, I want to start making money on YouTube, I want to get monetized on YouTube, please, you can gladly shift to the next part of this video. Or you can still go and carry out your research and ask Google, can people get subscribers through comment section, so that Google can definitely answer you on that, because a lot of people need clarification. So go and do your clarification before you come back and continue. But for people that are willing, this is how we are going to do it. And please, once you get to your 1,000 subscribers, stop doing this and focus on your content. So if you see anybody dropping comments in the comment section, it simply means that those people are interested for you and them to actually become friends. Give each other apple, give each other banana, give each other what? Red flower, and I will also come to your house to give you that same red flower. So the first thing you need to do is, once anybody drop a comment under your comment, you click on that person's profile, you go to that person's profile, you watch that person's video. Make sure you watch that person's video from beginning to the end. It is very, very important. Watch that person's video from beginning to the end, and then subscribe. Why are you doing this? So that YouTube will not take down that person's subscription. Because if you did not do it very well, YouTube will take down that person's subscription. And at the end, it's as good as we're not doing anything. So ensure you do it very, very, very well. You understand? A lot of people have personally come to my YouTube live stream to support me, telling me thank you for bringing this same strategy, beautiful method of growth. And I know that it's helping a lot of persons. So please, if you're doing it, do it in the right way. And if you have already gotten your 1,000 subscribers, please, this is not for you. The only thing you should do now is to focus on creating your content so that you can grow on YouTube organically. You understand? So that is what you should focus on doing. You don't need to focus on you still want to grow again with subscribers. I don't advise that. So if you have your 1,000 subscribers already, like I've said, and I'll keep saying it, ensure that you are not doing this. This is just for people that don't have 1,000 subscribers. If you're still struggling with your YouTube channel, you are still battling with it, this is where Sony are coming to display for you. This is where I personally go into your YouTube channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what we can minus, what we can add, so that your channel will be successful. It is very, some people will personally tell me, Sonia, come into my YouTube channel, just come and check my settings, come and ensure that everything is okay, come and ensure that I am on the right track. Me and you, we are the one doing this. You understand? You will not see this kind of masterclass anywhere. Me and you now, we they do them with just chickening money. Anyways, look at this flyer that is displaying here with the same email that you're seeing here, faithonoja3195@gmail.com. Send us a mail and we will come to your rescue. And if you have not even built channel at all, you're like, I don't even know how to create channel, I don't even know where to start from, but I really want to make money from YouTube, I really want to be enjoying the same thing everyone is enjoying. It is not a problem. We build channel from scratch. We've done it before with over 300 students. So who are you that we cannot do it for you? So we can still do it for you. All you need to do is to also check out this flyer that is displaying on the screen. And if you check this flyer that is displaying on the screen, what are you going to do? You send us a mail and tell us, I want your coaching section, no, my sister. I want you to come and coach me. I want you to go into my channel. We do for 1 day, 7 days, 2 weeks, 1 month. And at the end of the day, no guy build channel, no go balance, no guy be no go monetize. Start making small things on this YouTube before you start making big things. You understand? I will not lie to you. YouTube earnings don't just come wow. It comes one step at a time. But the most important thing is get monetized on YouTube and start making money. Anyways, I hope this video is able to help someone out there. If you don't forget to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. And yes, with no further ado, like in my videos, I'm going to be saying, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Oh yeah, let's go. Start connecting. Comment section. Let's get it busy and let's start making money. Bye, guys. Mwah.